Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Trading Show. I'm David. I'm joined with the guy.
Brendan.
Brendan.
Yep.
How do you spell your name?
B-R-E-N-D-Y-N.
So cool. Your parents had to throw that Y in there or what?
Well, my mom didn't even want to name me Brendan.
Oh, yeah?
She
What
didn't want people to call me what people in the chat call me, like Brandon and Brendan and Braden.
So was it your dad's idea?
Yeah, I'm named after a NASCAR driver.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Brendan Gaughan. He didn't do anything in his career, but my dad liked him, so.
They named you after a loser driver?
I guess.
That's kind of messed up, man.
I don't know. My dad really liked him, so.
I'm sorry, man. Well, look, the good news is you can change your name at any point.
Well, I don't know. Once I become a helicopter, I might just rename myself Black Hawk.
Black Hawk.
Because, you know, you can do that these days. You can be a helicopter or a toaster.
Yeah, like Chad Johnson renamed himself to Chad Ocho Cinco.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Good luck with that, by the way.
Yeah, thanks.
Bitcoin about to lose $73,000. We hit along this morning. Would have hit along also this morning, but we didn't quite get tapped in. That was here. And, well, we're breaching this. We're attempting to breach this low here. 73,058. If you look at the Bitcoin on the 5-minute red X on market cipher A, could look at this as a little bit of a potential bull flag here, my friends. But nothing with confidence that I can say, well, you know, let's go ahead and long this flag and trade the breakout, a bull pennant, bull flag, whatever you want to call it. We can even draw a fib, low to high. We breached the 50% level. So for me, at least, me personally, this is invalidated currently, unless this 5-minute candle, which closes in 2 minutes, closes above 73,244.
I think I'm going to get in a trade right now.
What are you looking at? Show us.
I think I'm going to get in a short.
Tell people where to get in.
Yeah, I think I'm going to get in this right here. This is a little scalp, but I'm about it. You see, so right here I have, I'm on the 5-minute time frame, just for anybody that is watching.
The 5-minute man.
Come on,
better than the 1 minute man.
You always have to hit me with that one, man.
You hit yourself, and I just add on.
I'm not even the minute man. You're the minute man.
Yeah, but you bring it up constantly, so yeah.
Well, that's because everybody in the chat brings it up constantly.
Well, because you bring it up constantly.
Dude, I'm done with
Anyways,
this.
okay, what do you got?
This is, so I have, so right here on the 1 hour, we see we're in a downtrend. We see we're in a downtrend here, so I know that my daily bias is bearish. So then I go up to the 15-minute, and I'm trying to just find, I'm just trying to find an area where we rejected, where we're seeing some rejection movement. And then I find this area right here. We tapped it. We rejected out of it. And so I like that rejection. And so then I'm going to go down to the 5-minute after I see that rejection area, which I marked out, right? And I see we tapped it, right? And we tried to make some upward market structure, but we couldn't, right? So we come up. We make a lower high, right? And then we try to make a higher high. We don't make a higher high, and that's why, because we lose this right here, right? So we lose this low. That's a really bad drawing. Hold on. Let me just put a horizontal.
That also looks like a failed inverse head and shoulders breakout.
Yeah. And so we lose this low right here. And so I'm going to get in off of that lost low. So hopefully we'll see a retracement back up to that lost low, which is sitting at 73,370.4. And then I just want to get like a 1 to 2 basically is what this is right here. And so if you're using high leverage, that's a really good scalp and stuff like that. And so that's what my goal is on this trade right here, personally. And so hopefully we get tapped in, and then we see it move to the downside, and I'm going to hide this behind this wick high. You could even put it up higher if you want to. I just want to get a little bit more bang for my buck. So
what's the entry?
73,360.7. I got to do it real quick.
Give me. I'm going to put it in the chat. Brendan's Bitcoin.
I'll also, while I'm putting it in my Bitunix right now, I'll toss it in the Discord when I'm done for everybody that wants to get in on the same trade as I.
Okay, entry is, what is it?
73,360.7.
360. Stop loss where?
Stop is at 73,107.8.
We'll say 108. And then
TP 71,973.2.
71,973.2. Okay. All right. So we'll pin that to the top. We'll see if it gets filled. Ricky said, is Solana good to jump in for a spot swing trade? Can it get to $120 to $130 this year? I mean, it can. Will it? I don't know. I'll let Brendan look at a Solana chart first, and then I'll follow up. Brendan, Solana.
Can you just give me 1 second?
You're putting your trade in?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. He's putting his trade in. Then I'll go ahead and I'll pull up Solana first. Oh, what I was saying earlier, this looks like a failed inverse head and shoulders breakout, right? You see your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder on the 5-minute. We attempted to breach the neckline. We got rejected and we spilled off. Now, you can, if you are kind of being a little greedy here, say, well, look, this is a shoulder. This is a right shoulder. Maybe. But we got to get above 70. We got to break above 74.150 for this to play out. And we need that move up like now. Obviously, invalidation happens at 72.1, which would be which would take out that low from the head. But I don't know. I would have loved to see this thing break out here. Just a quick right shoulder, just like we saw here. You good?
I see my funny bone.
Left shoulder, come in, put in a high, and then the head. And so this is what we like to see, but this is potentially, I guess, but I don't think so. And so,
well, before I even look at this chart to tell you guys anything about any of that, I will tell you this: look at Bitcoin first. Okay, if we are seeing Bitcoin into a dump, right? If we are going to see Solana in a dump, we see below $100 Solana right now. We have not seen that in a long time. Okay, so if Bitcoin continues to dump, Rob and I both think we're going to see 68. I think we're going to see 68. David says he called the bottom. He could have. We don't know. None of us know. But I would say if you're going to try and get into a spot position, I suggest just making sure you see what Bitcoin does. Because one, you could get in and then lose more money than you want to lose. Or two, you could also get in at a better price if it continues to go lower. And so I say all of that to say, always look at Bitcoin first, because that controls everything. So.
Okay, but tell me about Solana.
Yeah, so here's a Solana chart right here. I actually am not opposed to taking it along on Solana as of right now, just as a little scalp. But it just depends on how long you're trying to hold this spot position for. What would you say he's trying to hold it for?
Well, if it's a scalp, then it's a matter of maybe hours or a day max.
Yeah, so I would...
Especially if you're going long. If you're going long in this market, you got to get in and out quick.
Yeah, so me personally, I would say... yeah, I would say we're in, I mean, let me expand this and just see where we're at volume-wise. This is going to move in a second, so just give me one moment. Maybe it won't. Okay, we're in a high volume area at the moment, if this stays where it's at. And so I think that if this is on the 5-minute, let me go up to the 30-minute, a little higher time frame area. We saw this nice V-shaped bottom, right? We saw black, 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 blue candle straight out. And so we've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our last 30-minute candles have been blue. Now, is this a relief rally and then another move to the downside? Because if you do look at the market structure on the 1 hour, we've seen higher high, lower low, or lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, and then we're moving to the downside. But now we're moving to the upside. And so I think that if you wanted to get in on the scalp, I'd look for a retracement of this right here, 92. Let's call it $92. I'd call it a little bit above it, maybe 92.5. I'd call it and get to the upside. I think I just got tapped in. I did. I got tapped in on Bitcoin short. Yeah. So I personally, if you're gonna get in on a retrace of this wick high right here at 92.5 and try and ride it for a quick scalp, probably to this high, this local high. I mean, it's not really a high, but that's a 4% move. So.
Wait, your TP doesn't make sense. You said your TP or your stop loss 73.108.
What? No, I did not say that. On my.
Okay, what's your stop loss at then?
74.108.
Oh, I put 73.108. Okay, so stop loss is 74.108. Let's take a look, and I'll let me rate your trade.
Rate it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go down the 5-minute. Let's clean up the chart.
That's what I got in on. It was on the 5-minute.
You got it on the 5-minute?
Mm-hmm. The 5-minute.
So 5 minute looks like market cipher is about to flip from bull to bear. Market cipher A, the ribbon, right? The bands. You got a little bit of a falling channel, falling wedge, whatever you want to call it. Right. This is really no longer a bull flag. I mean, it can be. But I think the important thing is going to be on the 5 minute time frame, what happens at this level where price is right now. If we get a break above and we come back and we retest, I think you're going to get stopped out. If we don't and we rotate back into the bottom end of this range, I do think you will see a spill off. And you said your TP was where? 71?
71.9. I might move it up to this wick low at 72.
Yeah, I think your TP is too far out. In my personal opinion, if I'm objectively looking at this trade setup, which right now looks like you went the right way. I will say there's some support. There's a couple of support. One, you got this high volume area at 73.1. You got confluence with your VWAP. This is your VWAP lower band. But below that, I mean, you got this low here at 72.8. And then, then it's nothing down to 72.380, which was my original kind of bottom for BTC.
Yeah, I moved it up. I moved my TP up to 72.263.
72.263. So that's right at the low here.
Yeah, that's a nice 1% scalp. I'm not mad about that at all.
Yeah. So right now it's at 70. Bitcoin's at 73.285. What I was looking at actually was I think it was it the 10 minute? Yeah, 10 minute gave us a trigger wave short entry here on market cipher B.
Short trigger wave?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope Market Cipher keeps telling us good things about the short. I like Market Cipher. It makes me feel better sometimes.
I think
when I get into a trade and I'm a little bit skeptical, and then David's like, Market Cipher says, and I'm like, oh, thank God Market Cipher says.
Yeah, Market Cipher solid. Now, if we do get a break to the upside, though, you're targeting this measured move is 75.382 for BTC. But for me right now, I am currently not in a Bitcoin trade. I want to see on the 5 minute, if it goes to the 5 minute, what Bitcoin does at 73.2. If we get a break below, and then I want to see what happens with this volume node here, 73.1. So essentially 73K. If we get a strong bounce with volume, then I'll probably go long. Now, the 5 minute is giving us is playing out for a potential long trigger wave. So just keep that in mind, but nothing has played out yet. And as of now, I think Brennan's trade is looking pretty good. If we go to the crypto bubbles, a lot is down today. Zcash, Stacks, XDC, IP's down, Solana's down. What's up? Coca. What's Coca? What is Coca and why is it popping up here? Yeah, there should be 1 through 100. Anyways, Coca. This is
Coca.
Holy shit. 76 million market cap, but fully diluted as 1.2.
What?
Oh my God. Look at that. Circulating to total supply ratio. That's terrible. I don't know if anyone watching, if you're in this, I don't even know what it is. What is this?
Oh my gosh.
All-in-one crypto app, multi-chain, non-custodial wallet, and debit cards. Okay.
That candle closed black, big time black.
On the 5 minute?
Yeah, or green or red, whatever you guys have.
Okay, update saying rewarding stablecoin banking with Coca Visa card. Interesting name. Backed by Stellar. Okay, this one's interesting. Backed by Stellar. Okay, my interest is piqued here. Let you reward you with cash back on every purchase as earn more as you spend.
You get cash back in Coca?
I don't know.
Is that what it's set up there? Yeah. Wait.
No, it just says you get cash back. I don't know.
Yeah, but look right there though. It says $154, $605 or 605 Coca. See that right there?
Yeah.
Maybe
that's a welcome bonus. Oh, these are the rewards. I don't know, but I like the fact that it's backed by Stellar. Interesting.
You're a big Stellar guy.
I like Stellar. Yeah.
No hate at all.
What's the liquidity? Oh, zero liquidity. That's not good. Let's go ahead and pull up a chart. Coca. Mexi. When did this thing come out? Oh, this has been out for a minute. This has been around since 2024. I've never heard of this thing. Well, if you're looking to trade this thing, this looks like a Morningstar pattern, the bottom of a downtrend. I don't think there's enough liquidity to make money on this thing.
Dude, what the heck?
Yeah. I want to give a shout out to our Rumble people. Pedro Garcia said, let's go. And DYOR Media said, hey guys, what's going on? Rumble fam, how you all doing? Appreciate you. Appreciate you guys supporting us.
What's up, guys?
And so, yeah, I don't got much to say.
Oh, my God.
Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a push up here. Let's go back to the Bitcoin chart. Let's go to the 5-minute. Maybe David can get into a trade here.
Maybe this can dump again, maybe?
Market Cipher A is telling us there's a reversal coming soon. Your stop loss is 74.1.
Yeah.
I think you'll be fine.
I hope I'm fine.
I think you'll be fine. We did just get a long trigger wave on Market Cipher B, though.
Great. See, Market Cipher, now you're doing it to me.
Well, here's the thing, though. You got conflicting indicators, right? You got B telling you up, A telling you reversal's coming.
What is B? Which one's B? Is that the one that's on the...
B's right here. This is Market Cipher B. I'm curious, those in the chat, Rumble and YouTube, do you guys have Market Cipher? Do you use Market Cipher? Put a 1 in the chat if you do, put a 2 if you don't. I've been using this thing for well over, 18 months, a year, 2 years, something like that. So I'm curious. This thing is great. It's not the end-all, be-all to enter and exit trades, but it gives you some great insight and confluence.
Oh, like, so we're seeing that blue diamond, though, from...
a blue triangle is
that
trend
blue
reversal.
triangle.
Yeah, whatever
that's
yeah, you
news.
can see here, it dumped. The important thing for me, Brennan, I think, and well, it would mean your stop loss will get hit. If we can close above 73,960, then we've officially put in a higher high and a higher low, right? And so that trend, at least on the 5-minute, would be up. As Bitcoin is approaching 73,600, let's go down to 2 minutes, see if we can catch a trade here. Look how perfectly it got bounced on the VWAP. This is a 0.5% move on the 2-minute time frame, guys. That's a pretty big move. 2 minutes giving us a potential short trigger wave here. We'll see how this plays out. And you got your green dot of misery, which coupled with this typically tells you that reversal is very, very close, if not the next candle closure. If I can find you guys an example here. Yeah, here you go. Triangle, green dot. We had one more leg up and then a big dump, right? And that's what you're seeing.
I don't need a leg up, though. I just need it to dump. What's a 5-minute got on it?
5 minutes the same. Volume is increasing, though. We do have a gap here, though. So if we blow through 73.7, more than likely we're going up to that 73,960. And so, yeah.
Well, I'm just worried about if we sweep this high. Because if we sweep this high, then the...
Then you're stopped out.
The market structure...
Market structure changes?
Yeah, the market structure changes because I would lose this lower high. And so if new candle open, let's see what happens.
Pedro said, what is Market Cipher using? What numbers are they pulling from? That's a great question, man. I think it's a matter of, and here, we can go to Market Cipher. It gives you like pivot areas, and essentially it's a bunch of, at least, is a bunch of moving averages. I don't know the technicalities behind it. And Market Cipher B is a bunch of oscillators. So you have your RSI, your stochastic smooth over. Then you have your blue momentum waves. And it kind of tells you is the momentum rising to the upside. You can kind of use it as, whether a move to the upside or downside has legs behind it. And then yellow is your VWAP. What kind of expansion are we getting? And then you see red shaded or green shaded. That's your money flow. is money flowing in. I believe that's from open interest. I could be wrong. I can actually double check. I'll just text CryptoFace. He's the founder of it.
Oh my God.
I'll text him and I'll see if
This is no bueno.
Bitcoin. Yeah, it's
Please don't make a higher high. Please don't do it. Just go down. I can't watch it.
73,777 for BTC. Will Brennan get stopped out? I don't know. Maybe.
I hope not, man. That would be really disappointing.
It's okay. It's gonna be okay, man.
Yeah,
It's gonna be okay.
It's gonna be okay, but
It'll be fine. 73.8. I am currently on the sidelines, but maybe I'll look to get into a short here. Let's take a peek. Is there a short opportunity here on Bitcoin? Let's go to the 1 minute. That's 74.5. That's too far up. Nope. RSI is pretty overbought on the 1 minute. That's something to keep in mind.
I pull my RSI up. Keeps disappearing on me. Every time Robin gets on this computer, my RSI goes away.
He just hates RSI, man. He likes KSI, but hates RSI.
KSI.
3 minute could potentially give us a short entry, okay? So we'll just keep that in mind. And I got all eyes on 74,000, my friends. We're going to keep our eye out on 74K, and we're going to decide what price does. If we get a full-out rejection, you see here, this evening star pattern on increased volume on that second leg. We saw a nice dump. Came in on a wick, made a lower high, lower low, and then we had this breakout. And so the level to watch here is going to be this trend line. And we do get a little bit of confluence on this candle. If we all come all the way down here, 73,259. But yeah, I think Bitcoin.
Yep, I'm fried. Yep.
I think you're going to
Okay.
get that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Here we go. I lost this high. Now I'll go take the other high. Just go ahead and do it.
You're still in,
Barely.
right?
Yep, barely.
73.1?
Yeah.
Or 74.1?
Yep. Come on, come on. Just stay down there. Give me another candle and then a big downside candle. That'd be so cool.
Well, the good news is, oh, there it is. Volume is decreasing on this move up. And so in Brennan's case, he's in a short. Volume is playing your favor. Ricky said, so sell everything. I didn't say that, bro. Jay Andrew said, stop shorting the market. You may be right, but hey, we look to make money either way. It's the only thing in life I go both ways is in the markets.
You're open? Or
You know, where's my... No? Why? That was a good one. That was a really good one.
Everybody say hi to Gina.
When he says everyone, he means just Steve-O.
Yeah, Steve-O, say hi to Gina.
No, okay, Gina's shy today. Bitcoin getting rejected.
Yes, please.
Look at that. Look at that nasty wick. I am just...
Those are those scam wicks that you love right there.
Yeah, they're great. None better than when you see it on River. What? Yeah, DYOR. What's up, DYOR? I wanted to take a look at River.
You guys are sounding like the whole market is over, bro. Cool.
Nah, it ain't over, man.
Yeah,
I do think we got a little more downside, Ricky, but I don't think the market's over. Sold by between $71 and $62. Oh, that's what I was looking at. Let's go back to Solana. I had some levels marked out. Rob said $40. There is a big level at $40, but for me, I got a few levels marked out above 40. One is $78. The second one is $57.50. If I zoom out as my chart loads, there we go. So the first level, which is $78, you can see how important this level is going all the way back to 2022. 1, 2, 3 taps here, and then we ultimately lost it. On the way up, 2 taps rejected. Before the massive rally, tap and it held. The lower level, 57.50, kind of same idea, right? back here in May of 2022, before we ultimately got down to that $9 or $10 Solana, we got that rejection twice on closures. And then at that level again, we consolidated, chopped, right? Came into a very tight range and then ultimately blew up to the upside. So $78 and $57. Those are the levels that I've been looking at for Solana. Joe, in terms of if you want a premium entry on a spot hold for Solana. And then if we lose those though, then I think Rob's gonna be right. $40 is what we're gonna see, and maybe even lower at $24. I do not see that happening though, so just keep that in mind. This is a lot of indecision here, you guys. We got back-to-back massive doji candles as Bitcoin attempts to push up. And it looks like a good entry here, at least on the 5-minute, is this convergence of the 9 and the 21-day moving average. Let's go back to BTC. Should I just do chat, what do you think? Should I do a 150x Bitcoin scalp? It'll be like on the super low time frame. We can try to scalp this thing. Chances are we might get liquidated. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's throw on Heikinashi. 1 minute uptrend looks like it's starting, but it's still too early to call it. Green dot on market cipher. I think the move here is going to be, we'll see what volume does. I think the move here might be to short it at 74,000.
Bro, what is this market structure on the 5-minute? This candle closure prior to this new,
and bring it down to 73.5. That's a 0.5% move. That's not bad. All right, you know what? We're gonna go for it. Let's do it. Let's go 73.
You're shorting or longing?
I'm shorting. Let's go 150x. You guys are turning me into an absolute degenerate here. We'll go 74K. Let's go stop loss above this wick. TP there. That's not bad. That's a 6-to-1 trade. Okay. Let's see if we get tapped in, guys. This is a very high risk play, okay? Very high risk play. What this looks like set up to me is maybe we get tapped up there and this turns into a red reversal candle, potentially. If we go back to the chart.
Where is your limit order at?
My limit order is 74,040.
Where is that? So you can get tapped in.
And you can still be live, and we can both make money.
About barely, though.
Yeah. It's all good. Janice Papa said, 4 years of dumping and rug pulls, but I am still here.
We appreciate you.
For my boy Janet. I mean, my boy Janice Papa.
Hopefully it works. Hold on a second. Hold on. Just 1 sec. I don't know. It might be the wrong one.
Okay, try it. There we go.
Okay.
I mean, not you. Jesus.
Dude, why not?
Because it's very loud in the microphone.
Oh, I just wanted to cheer for Janet's Papa. I appreciate you.
Yeah, I wonder what his real name is. Look at a descending triangle on Solana Daily. Solana Daily triangle. Let's take a peek. Solana Daily.
Sin City. Crypto.
Descending triangle. I mean, I don't. Where? I don't see it, my friend. Unless, I mean, this is from Coinbase.
Ascending triangle?
Descending triangle. I don't see it. Unless we're on different charts, Joe.
71.
I don't
70,
see a descending triangle on a daily.
at 71. Oh, to that
271,
71.
yeah.
Oh.
So I mean, I don't see it, but hey, maybe we're on different time frames. Let's see if we can.
He says the daily, you know?
What?
Did you not say the daily? Oh, my bad.
You didn't have your Dutch Bros today or what?
Bro, I had a puppy, and that little thing just keeps me up all night.
Yeah, I could have told you puppies are hard work, man.
I love her though. She's awesome, but she's definitely keeping me
A
up.
lot of volatility, guys. A lot of volatility, but we're waiting for our entry at 74.040. We're looking to get into a short here on BTC. 150x leverage on Bitunix. Bow, 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 bow.
Whoa, nice, dude.
We'll see. I'm thinking
This is really not looking good for me at the moment.
we move our TP up there. We'll see. There's a very good chance, though, you guys, we get tapped in and we get stopped out almost immediately. So just keep that in mind. I'm going right there. And what I love, too, about Bitunix is it allows you to guarantee your stop loss for a fee. We're going to guarantee our stop loss there. We'll pay the little extra. I think it's like $12 or something. And, yeah, he said on Kraken. Oh, looks like we're going to get tapped in. Are we going to get tapped in? Gina, can we throw this on the back wall so people can see?
Can I just not get stopped out? That'd be really cool.
Yeah. All right. Will the boys get tapped in? How's that look? Does that look good, Gina? Can people see? Does that look good?
Yes, hold on.
Okay. All right. We're watching this on a giant $100,000 LED wall. And I'm hoping that the wall, the synergy of this wall, build that wall, will get us tapped in and we'll hit our TP set right there at 70. It's like my TP's at 73,486. A lot of volatility in Bitcoin. I think a big move's coming either way. We either get tapped in or it goes to the downside like we're expecting or like we want, or we just blow right through. David hits a stop loss. We get a small little L in our portfolios and we move forward. Also, big shout out to Janice Papa. Became a member here. Sin City level 1. Big thank you to support. DYR said, who paid for that screen? I did. Well, we did. The company did. Yeah, we're one of the few channels that has an actual studio that doesn't stream from home, which nothing wrong with streaming from home. But every dime we've ever made from sponsors or the community, we poured it right back into our production. So this was one of them. You're seeing all the super chats, all the affiliate links that you guys support us with. It gets us cool stuff like this. And I don't know how much longer I can sit here and patiently attempt to wait for Bitcoin to just scam wick me up there and just destroy the chart, bro. Just destroy me. 74,040 is where we're sitting at on a Bitcoin short, 150x on Bitunix. I think my margin is like $300. So it's not some crazy amount, but still make some good money here. So we're looking at, we take an L, that's a $41 loss. If we take a win, that's a $300 win. So that's
Just
a
dump,
6-1.
Just dump.
No, it needs to tap me and then dump.
That, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, that's really cool. I would love for that to happen, but it scares the absolute living.
Yeah. Don't be scared, man. It's going to be okay. 73. So, okay. Well, we'll come back to this. We'll come back to this. And you guys, I got volume on, so you'll hear the ding. Okay? You'll hear the ding. Also, we have a super chat from Janice Papa said, my name is Jose. I don't know if you want to dox yourself, but we appreciate it. This is my favorite show of all shows. Jose, we appreciate you, bro. Thank you very much. I know you're in our chat all the time. And Rumble chat's heating up a little bit. Mike said he loves the wall. What happened?
Oh, you still want it up there?
Oh, no, I was just curious. It went black. I just saw it went black.
Oh, I was fading it in a smooth way.
Yeah, okay. Fair enough. And Brokioshi, you've been a member for a minute, bro. So going back to 2022, paid for that screen, I know. Brokioshi has been part of paying for the screen.
Dude, $5 super chat. What a guy from Jose.
Yeah, I like Jose. He's a good guy. Ah, damn it.
The greatest guy.
The best guy. All right, guys. I'm curious. What is Heikinashi? Heikinashi, we're in a clear uptrend here. So we're kind of going against the grain here on our short. I'm doing it for the chat. I'm doing it for you guys. I'm putting my money on the line for your entertainment purposes. And so, but all jokes aside, I do think 74 gets rejected again. If we do get tapped up there, I think it'll be on just a one big move up.
Please keep going down.
We do have a very tight stop loss, guys. So it very well might just blow right through that stop loss and just at the same exact time it taps us in, it taps us out. So
Brennan was in junior high when I became a member. How long ago was that?
Like 3 years ago.
3 years ago, I was a freshman in high school.
Oh, so he was close.
Yeah.
And we're seeing a dump. Okay. We're going to keep our limit order here, okay? I'm hoping we get tapped in over the next few minutes. If we don't, then, we'll reevaluate. But the one more thing I want to take a look at, what was on the thumbnail? Did you see what's on the thumbnail? I know you took a peek earlier. Oh, there it is. Cardano. Cardano, where are you? Cardano.
Dumpster fire, where are you?
Okay. Ooh, 2 minute reversal on Cardano. Okay. This might be a good short here. 29.16. What's a 5 minute tell us? 5 minute. 15 minute. Confluence there on the 15 minute. I think I'm going to cancel this Bitcoin order and try to get in on a Cardano. 29.16. Let's go ADA. Okay, though this would be a higher, for me at least, a higher conviction play. What'd I say? 29.16. 29.16. We got to bump that leverage up, baby. That's some rookie leverage right there. Let's go 35x. 29.16. We're going to enter. Open short. Stop loss above the open or above the wick. TP. We'll take this low here. I'll be a nice little quick trade setup. That's about a 4-to-1 trade. So
6 to 7.
So yeah. And what I saw on ADA, guys, is I'm waiting for a retest of this VWAP mid-band at 29.16, which looks like we are. But this is a clear evening. You good?
Yeah. Ouch.
Bro, you okay today?
Dude, I'm
This is a clear evening star pattern. I think we got tapped. Did we get tapped in? Oh, come on, dude. We did get tapped in. Okay. All right. We're in a trade.
Oh, no, this is not good.
And looks like we might get stopped out. In fact, you know what? I'm going to move my stop loss up a little bit.
Oh,
Let's move it up above the wick high here. If we clear that wick high, you know what? The trade went against us, and we'll see. And it looks like...
Yep, see me later.
Are you out? Is Bitcoin rallying? Is that why I'm about to get stopped out too?
I'm literally one...
Gino, put this on the big board. I want to see the people watching me get stopped out on the $100,000 LED wall. Let's go. Come on, throw it up there.
I'm a tick away.
Throw it up there.
I'm getting fried.
ADA, we're in a short right now. 29.3 cents is our stop loss. We're close. And I...
Dude, I'm literally a tick, bro.
Come on, Bitcoin. Maybe I should have kept my Bitcoin limit short, huh?
Oh. Yep, see me later. Holy hell, wait till you see this.
Am I about to get stopped out? Where's Bitcoin at? Show me, what's the price of Bitcoin? Oh, damn. It's going to get rejected, bro. 74,057. That's Bitcoin's price. All right, ADA, come on. Come on, ADA.
Oh.
Go down. I'm curious. There's 109 people watching on YouTube. Gina, how many people got watching on Rumble?
Let me check.
She's checking. Hold, please. Hold. Yeah, Cardano. Yeah, go down. No, give me that doji and then give me a big red candle to the downside.
We got 5.
5 people on Rumble. Let's go. Make sure you're subscribed. Big thank you. Also, if you're watching us on YouTube, also make sure you're subscribed. We do this trading show every single weekday, Monday.
I don't know why that's happening. I did not.
Did it on its own?
Oh, the sound effect did it. Ooh, something's happening there.
Interesting. Well, let's get it back up here because I'm stressing out here a little bit. Oh, Stellar.
Stellar.
We did do a Stellar video earlier. Come on. This is the perfect setup for an evening star pattern on increased volume. Give it to me. Give it to me right now. I want to make some money live on the show. And if anyone is following me on this trade, I want them to also make money live on this show. Here's the good news. Even with Bitcoin crossing 74K, the previous candle closure wick high was not taken out, right? This wick high was not taken out. We got just below there. And that's what we want to see. Now we got to keep going. Ideally, this is where we want our lines to the price to get to. Let me go horizontal line. We want candle closure at 29.11 cents. With increased volume, that is an evening star pattern, and we should see our TP hit live on the show. That is on Cardano. Brendan, I'm a little occupied here looking at my trade. Why don't you go ahead and show us what BitTensor looks like? Thank you very much.
All right, here we go.
Also, Tommy said he's shorting ADA. Let's go. He's shorting with me.
Yeah, you should always short ADA.
Love it. Great.
It's the only thing to do. Oh, how's it? All right, let's see.
Where's Bitcoin at? Real quick.
73.8.
73.8. Okay. Rejected, just like I told you.
Yeah,
Okay,
so I got scam wicked.
give me the BitTensor.
All right, hold on. You made me tap out.
You know what Rob said one time?
What?
He said, talking about BitTensor, he couldn't pronounce BitTensor for the longest time. He kept saying BitTensor.
Why?
Then one day he's like, I've been bitten, sir. You know, like a spider bite. Anyways, go ahead.
Okay, so I like this right here. Let's go up to the 30-minute. Let's see what we got. So I talked about this area down here, us getting tapped into the middle. If you guys made this trade that I called out a couple days ago, I don't remember when the last time we talked about TAO was, but I said if you try and get yourself tapped in at the midpoint of this support right here, you'll get a move to the upside. And if you did that, you are in a current 4% upside win. So I think that if you're not in yet, I would look for a tap of this VWAP middle band. A tap of this VWAP middle band and a move to the upside. So that's what I'd be looking for. And this VWAP middle band right now is sitting at 189.20. And so if you want to get in on a trade right there, that's what I would be doing. And then I would just be looking to get my 2% or whatever if you're scalping it. And if you're not, then I'd be looking to get my 4 or 5%, whatever you want to do. So that's what I would do. So
Hell yeah. Look behind you, bro. Yeah. Looky, chocolate chip cookie. Keep going down. Keep going down. Now, the question then becomes, and Brennan, I'll let you help me decide, but should I move my stop loss above the wick high of this current 5-minute candle?
Dude, I'm such an idiot.
Why?
Because look at this
Dumping?
black candle. I don't have my stream.
BBC, big black candle.
Yes. Look at that.
Don't ha me, Gina. Dump. Anyways, I think I will move my stop loss right above this candle wick high. And my TP, I'll move my TP up as well. Right there. 28.79.
I think we're in you know what? I'm stupid for even getting in a trade because I told you earlier I think we were just putting in a lower high, and that's what we did.
Put in a lower
Came
high.
up, put in a lower high, and
Okay.
Assumingly we're gonna put in a higher high. So
yeah, this is looking to be a nice evening star pattern, guys. This is textbook. This is textbook. One final push up, a doji indecision candle, and a big red candle to the downside. Now we got 26 seconds. 26 seconds. This volume right here needs to be above the previous candle session. If it is, we're good. I'll move my stop loss down. Maybe I'll move it in the profit. Well, it depends on where price lands. And then I'll adjust my TP as well. We got 6 seconds. I need volume to creep up just a little bit. And if price closes where it is right now, then I feel very confident. And we did not get the volume bump we wanted, but I do expect this thing to continue to go down. So shout out to any of you that got in this trade with me. Now, I only used $300 in margin. So if you use higher margin and you're in the profit and you're happy about your profit right now, go ahead and close out your trade, right? 1 in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. Unless that bush, you can reach into it like this and just grab it. But we don't have that. And so at TP right now, I think we're at, what percentage TP are we at? 12% ROI, 13% ROI. That's not too shabby. And so for me, the stop loss cover my fees. Yes. No, it does not. No. But I do have a fee voucher. So I get discounted fees. Anyways, we're done with the trading show. I wanted to thank you all for tuning in. It's been the best turnout we've had in a minute. And so we appreciate all of you. Again, we do this Monday through Friday at 11:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We like to have a lot of fun. We like to put in trades. We like to make money with you. You just walked right through my camera.
I thought it was on the wide shot. Sorry, guys.
Anyways, on behalf of myself and Brendan, we want to say thank you. Make sure you sub to the channel. Big shout out to the Rumble community. We love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Gina, we don't have an outro, but put the cue card that says we're done. Thank you.